In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Etsy shop stats and analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your shop's key numbers and how to read them so you can make smarter decisions about your listings and marketing. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. You can type Etsy into your search engine, or go straight to the official site if you know the URL. When the results load, click the first legitimate link that takes you to Etsy's homepage, and make sure you're on the secure, official domain before moving on. Next, log into your account. Use the credentials associated with your shop so the data you see is accurate. If you use extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that step and confirm you're signed in. Once you're in, open the menu for your account at the top right and choose Account Settings. This is a quick way to verify you're in the correct profile before reviewing analytics. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager. This is the control center for your store, and it's where all your performance tools live. Inside Shop Manager, click on Stats. This section gives you a clear overview of how your shop is performing. Now head to the Shop Traffic view. Here, you'll see the core metrics that tell your story: visits, orders, conversion rate, and revenue. Visits show how many unique sessions came to your shop, which helps you gauge overall interest. Orders tell you how many purchases were actually completed. Conversion rate is the percentage of visits that turned into orders. It's a powerful signal of how well your listings and storefront persuade visitors. And revenue shows the total money brought in over the period you're viewing. To understand trends over time, use the duration drop-down to select a time range. Common choices include the last 7 days for quick checks, 30 days for monthly pacing, or longer windows to spot seasonality. Switching ranges helps you see whether a spike is just a short burst or part of a longer pattern, and it's especially useful after you publish new listings, run a sale, or promote your products. As you review your data, focus on how these numbers relate to each other. For example, rising visits with flat orders might signal that your listings are getting attention but need stronger photos, titles, or pricing. A stable conversion rate with higher visits usually points to healthy growth. That's it. You've opened Etsy, logged in, gone to Shop Manager, and explored stats in the Shop Traffic view, using the date drop-down to compare performance over time. Keep checking these metrics consistently and let the data guide your next steps.